Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to do a small little showcase of this deep sea diving helmet, or I think the typical name for it is a Navy deep sea diving helmet. I try to make this as pretty accurate as possible using what I had. I'm going to explain briefly how I made some of these things. Now, this is made of cardboard and paper mache. Some parts of this are different things, like in the front here, I have a legitimate screw and wing nut attached to this. I have some plastic circular panels that are in here that are about, I think, 3 inches all around. And I have a hose valve here on the side that's been kind of shoved in. This is cardboard as well. And in the back here, I have this PVC pipe for the kind of makeshift oxygen tube thing here. And then I just have some extra rope I had here so I can attach it here. And these things on the rim around that gold part, those are also pieces of cardboard there as well. But what I really like about this is that this is functional. This can open and close. All I have to do is unscrew this and open it. I'm not going to do it now since this is kind of worn out. So I'm just going to keep it closed. But this also has a glass front. I think I pointed that earlier as well. But one thing I do want to share is this part here, which allows me to open and close. It's this little cardboard kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, kind of cylinder thing. And I attached the part on the top and bottom here. So this thing, which is wrapped, let's see if I can show this. Through that can move freely forward and then backwards here. So I'm trying to think what else as well. And then also the top. The top one doesn't have any glass because I want to be able to have some breathing space, because I feel like if I did the whole thing, I'm not going to have a lot of air to breathe in if I have this on. So this is the one with nothing in it, but I mean, it's pretty protective enough, so if anything were to fall, I wouldn't get inside my helmet. And I can wear this too. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. I can put this on, but the one issue is that it's kind of dives in my chest, this front part here, because it's kind of bent this way, almost like it's forward. Well, besides that, I mean, I still think it looks fantastic. Pretty sure that's really it with this. Like I said, this is just a showcase item. There's unfortunately no tutorial on this, but all I can say is just have a ton of paper mache and cardboard. If you ever want to make something like this, I may be able to briefly explain to someone in the comments on how they could do it, but it would just be hard to do. So, but yeah, hope you guys like this one.